Crop any video for Shorts format without software? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to crop any video for YouTube Shorts format using just the built-in Photos app on your phone. Stick with me till the end because this method is super quick and works on almost any device. All right, first go ahead and open your Photos app and find the video you want to turn into a short. Tap on it, then hit Edit in the bottom bar. Once you're in editing mode, look at the bottom and tap the Crop. Now in the top Crop menu, you'll see a rectangular frame icon. Tap that and it'll open up aspect ratio options. Scroll through the list and choose 9:16 if it's available. In my case, it's not there. Now, tap the rectangular dimension icon. This enables to resize Molly. Simply just drag 4 dots accordingly. That's the perfect vertical format for Shorts. Once you're happy with how it looks, just hit Done. And boom, you now have a vertical, cropped version of your video ready for YouTube Shorts. No apps, no editing software, just the Photos app. Super clean and simple. And that's how you can crop any video for Shorts format. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.